inner corner. Fix the aluminum alloy corner part at the inner corner of the walls by using one group of 5-4 rivets every interval of 50 to 100 centimeters. The fixing of flooring angular skirting line. Fix the flooring angular skirting line clip 12 millimeters above the floor by using the self-tapping screw. One clip every 40 to 50 centimeters. The clips must be installed on a line, and then install the flooring angular skirting line outside the clips. The flooring angular skirting lines should be cut at the length accordance with the actual needs. Normally, the flooring angular skirting lines are connecting with each other in a line, and use collar connection strap at the corner, and use end cap at the door. The fixing of the lamp system. Connect the lamp wire with the wire in the ejection box, then cover it with the box cover. Fix the ejection box on the roof with self-tap screws. The fixing of the distribution box. Connect the wire in the ejection box into the distribution box and link up with the in and out terminal. Notice the direction of in terminal should not be reversed. Set the ground wire outside the house to guarantee the safety. Test the inner electric circuitry is right or not. If right, then set up an electric circuit to the socket on the upper exposed wall. Everything should be testified all right before covering the junction box. Notice, the floor cannot be cleaned by water or wet mop. The floor must be kept dry and clean. 20 feet standard container house assemblage. Assemble procession. After discharged at the site, every part must be placed in sorts. Verify the compliance with the base. Lifting the frame of the house onto the base and make it in the right position. Lifting the top roof on the other side. Install the columns. Fix them with the base 4-foot screw by connecting M10 bolt through the reversed holes at the column. The column must be aligned with the base by the bottom frame trim. Fix the house top with the column by connecting M10 bolt through the reversed holes on the column. Check and adjust the whole house frame with a tolerance of less than 5 millimeters. The assemblage must be accordant with the number on the mud seal and the sandwich panels. Assemble number 1 first, with the grooves and tongues outward. Insert the cut side into the column. Then hold up number 2 alongside the column. Insert 1 into 2 by sideway. The column at the other side. Assemble the 5 between 4 and 6. And at the final step, make the 5 move to sideway, so as to make sure the wall sealed up. If 6 is longer than the edge of the floor, please cut it off. Insert 3 perpendicularly into the grooves and tongues of 2. After all above has been done, assemble number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in the way as same as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then insert number 14 into the column. Set 13 between 12 and 14. And the last step is to insert 14 sideway into 13 so as to seal the wall up. Notice, sandwich panel assemblage direction should be accordance with the way that the grooves and the tongues connect with the socket. You should also notice the direction of the windows and make sure that the moon locks are inside the room and the door keyholes are outside the room. You must assemble the electric wire through the junction box on the roof before assembling the sandwich panels. During the assembly, the wall sandwich panels must be supported with a hand to prevent accident tilt. PVC line should be installed on the upper inner side of each wall by using 5.5 screws through the reversed holes of the wall. The exposed screw rail should be covered with plastic cap. The plain side of the PVC line should head to the collar, and the side with loopholes is for the use of PVC link up with PVC. PVC line's length should be accordance with the length of the wall. The strap must be better at the beam of the outside of the wall and the steel frame. The strap length should be accordance with the length of the wall. Use 5.5 screws through the reversed holes of the straps and fix the straps at the bottom frame. The exposed screw rail should be covered with plastic cap. The fixing of inner corner. Fix the aluminum alloy corner part at the inner corner of the walls by using one group of 5 4-flange bolts every interval of 15 to 100 centimeters. The fixing of flooring angular line. Fix the flooring angular line clip 12 mm above the floor by using the self-tapping screw. One clip every 40 to 50 centimeters. The clips must be installed on a line, and then install the flooring angular line outside the clips. The flooring angular lines should be cut at the length accordance with the actual needs. Normally, the flooring angular lines are connecting with each other in a line, and use corner connect at the corner, and use end cap at the door. The fixing of the lamp. Connect the lamp wire with the wire in the junction box, and then cover it with the box cover. Fix the junction box on the roof. The fixing of the distribution box. Connect the wire in the junction box into the distribution box and link up with the in and out terminal. Notice, the direction of in terminal should not be reversed, and then fix the distribution box onto the wall by using the self-tapping screw. Set the ground wire outside the house to guarantee the safety. Test the inner electric circuitry is right or not. If right, then set up an electric circuit to the socket on the upper exposed wall. Everything should be testified all right before covering the junction box. Notice, the floor cannot be cleaned by water or wet mop. The floor must be kept dry and clean. If there is water percolation appears on the wall or caused by steel parts gaps, you can use sealant on the seam of the exposed wall. After the assembly, films on the walls, windows, or doors should be taken.